Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your account on TikTok, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the TikTok app, and now once you open it you will be able to see the interface or dashboard on the screen, where you can see profile icon at bottom right corner. Just tap over there and now you'll be redirected to the another section where you can see the sign up option at bottom. Just click on it or tap on it, and now you can see the four options. You can use your phone number or email, you can continue with Facebook or Apple or Google. You can choose any of them, and finally complete few more formalities, and once you verify yourself you'll be able to create your account successfully. So basically this is how you can create your account on TikTok, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.